In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a trade in Vantage. This walkthrough applies to the desktop versions of both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, and the process is almost identical in each platform. By the end, you'll know the quickest ways to exit an open position and where to find your results afterward. Start by opening your trading platform, either MT4 or MT5. Once the platform loads, look to the bottom of the screen for the Trade tab. This tab is your live dashboard. It lists all currently open positions, including the symbol, lot size, entry price, current profit or loss, and more. Take a moment to locate the specific trade you want to close. Double-check the symbol and the lot size so you don't accidentally close the wrong position, especially if you're managing multiple trades in similar instruments. There are 3 simple ways to close the trade, and you can choose whichever feels most comfortable. The fastest is to click the small X on the far right side of the position line. This immediately sends a close command at the current market price and is ideal when you need to exit quickly. If you prefer a quick menu, right-click on the position you want to exit. In MT4, choose Close Order, and in MT5, choose Close Position. This gives you a clear, confirmable action without opening extra windows and is a great everyday method. If you like to review details before confirming, double-click the position to open the order window. From there, click the Close button to finalize. This window lets you see key information one last time, which can be helpful in fast-moving markets. Once you confirm the close, the platform will execute at the current market price shown, and your trade will disappear from the Trade tab. That means the position is no longer active. Immediately after, it moves into the Account History tab, where your profit or loss is finalized. Head there to review the ticket, the close time, the symbol, and the result. If you don't see it right away, make sure your history view isn't filtered to a different date range. That's all there is to it. Open your platform, go to the Trade tab, identify the correct position, and close using the X, the right-click menu, or the order window. Your result is then recorded in Account History. Keep these 3 methods in mind so you can exit confidently and efficiently whenever the market reaches your target or your plan tells you it's time to close.